What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for clicking on the clip. We have Okeechobee, Florida, 2 extreme monster trucks and quad wars. This is the evening show. This is one race out of the 3. I picked a really bad place to stand for the first 2 videos, and other people in front of me went and stood up and blocked pretty much most of the races. So you get one good clean race, bunch of editing on it, try and keep these quads in view and give you guys what you want to see. These boys sliding around, having fun racing. First video, the daytime one, they got a little aggressive. There were some crashes, so you might want to flip through the channel, see what other videos we got on here. So we got race videos, ride videos, build videos, all kinds of stuff. Sawyer Custom is off-road racing enthusiasts for sure. Lots of racing, lots of builds. I try and throw some how-to videos in there. We've got other channels also. Mad Scientist Musician channel. That is the one that if you hear background music in these videos, that's where those backgrounds come from. I do all my own home recording, music, all the videos of me. Also got a fish page where we do tropical fish breeding, freshwater stuff. Got roughly 100 tanks, 26 species of fish. So Sawyer Custom Aquatics if you're into the fish stuff also. A couple of little shameless plugs there for the other channels. Sawyer Custom Gaming if you like Final Fantasy 14, that's another thing that we do. Not shy about my life, I'm pretty transparent about what's going on. Y'all want to know what's going on and how things are going? Check out the channels, they will definitely show you. Really appreciate the watch time, the views. We're surpassed the subscriber count needed to get monetized. We're halfway to watch time. I'm really trying to get these videos so that you guys watch them all the way through. It's not always so easy. A lot of it's just ride time. I'm not one to sit there and chit chat through an entire video. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. I know a lot of you guys just want to hear those engines rip and you don't want to hear somebody flapping over them, that's for sure. But I do appreciate every one of you. All the likes, the comments, the shares. It all helps. It's all great. It really helps the channel. We're growing. We've got a Discord, Randy Sawyer on Discord. You can have voice chats and stuff during the live streams. It doesn't have to be just typing. Let's get a community going. We'll finish this video up here. Don't forget, flip through the channel, see what else you like. Grab some popcorn and a beverage, throw it up on the TV, and enjoy the night. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you all in the next one.